Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys oppo mobile setting, and today guys I am going to show guys oppo mobile guys phone restart setting, how to restart oppo mobile. So friends, you want to restart oppo mobile, you want to restart your oppo phone, you want to restart any android phone with shortcut settings. So how to restart one by one and step by step we will talk about. So friends, first of all open your phone setting, then you can restart your android phone, you can restart your oppo mobile without press power button. Open your phone additional setting. After phone additional setting friends, open your phone accessibility setting, and after turn accessibility setting friends, you can on talkback, you want to on talkback, you can on talkback, you can on select to speak setting in your oppo mobile. Friends, you can use color correction, color inversion setting, high contrast text you want to on, you can on mono audio. Friends, you can adjust mono audio balance, you can adjust from here. Friends, click here accessibility menu setting, and guys on your accessibility menu shortcut setting, right click here allow option. Okay, after allow friends, right side you can check here one man icon will show here. Click here, you can lock screen without press button. You can increase decrease brightness, you can increase decrease volume, you can use phone recent app setting, assistant, accessibility setting, power setting, quick setting, notification. Friends, you want to check, click here, you can check notification. You want to take a screenshot without 3 finger, you can take a screenshot. So friends, click here phone power setting. You can power off your phone and you can restart your phone upside and downside. Power off, upside, restart. When without press any button, swipe here, phone will automatically off and phone automatic on. Wait and watch. So like that friends, you can reboot and you can restart your oppo mobile with shortcut settings. Phone will on automatic without press any button. So like that friends, you can use oppo mobile shortcut accessibility menu setting and you can restart your device without press any button. Just after 15 and 20 seconds, phone will on. Wait. 3, 2, 1, phone on. So like that friends, you can restart your oppo mobile with shortcut settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, you have any problem in your oppo mobile, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends. So like that friends, we can restart and we can power off oppo mobile with shortcut settings, and you can use shortcut setting, power off and restart. And you don't want to use this setting, click here and you can off your accessibility menu shortcut setting from here. After off, man icon will remove. Bye.